So guys, welcome back to our channel, and we are talking about market analysis. So over the previous weeks we were talking about fundamental analysis, and then technical analysis, and if you like, ad human analysis. But today we are starting off with a practical analysis. Practical analysis in forex trading is the beginning of locating market turning point. How is market doing? Where do I buy and where do I sell? That's what we're going to start looking at. Where do I buy and where do I sell? So how do you find where to buy and where to sell in the market environment? That's what analysis is all about. You are looking at the market. So today let's use one of these instruments. Let's say Aussie dollar, Australian dollar, and New Zealand dollar. Let's analyze this instrument and find out if we can locate where we can possibly buy and where we can possibly sell. In forex trading, it is called support and resistance zone. Support and resistance zone. So resistance is a potential area or a potential zone or a price where market normally turn around. Now, in analyzing market, the first thing you need to know is that you need a candlestick. So when we talk about technical analysis, we are talking about candlestick formation. And remember that candlestick formation, that's a topic of another day. We will telling you guys all about candlestick. What is candlestick, the different types of candlestick, and all that. Or that's a different ballgame. But however, you will not be able to analyze a market if you don't understand candlestick formation. Candlestick is a graphical representation of what is going on in the market. Looking at this candlestick, that's what you're going to look at. That's exactly how to find out market turning point. You're looking at what is the candlestick talking about. How is the formation? You can see the market going up and going down. Let us identify this area with our horizontal zone here. You can see that anytime market goes up and it drops down, and whenever it comes down, it touches a particular point. Look at it, particular area or zone here, and it goes back up. It comes down, it touches the same place and goes back up. Come down again, touches the same place, and it goes back up. You can see it going up like a wave, up, down, up, down. You see this price here, 1.05697 is called our market turning point, a potential market turning point, or a potential market turning price. But the whole of this area here is called a potential market turning zone. Now, why it is down here, it is called support area. In economics, it is called supply. All right. And you also notice that if the market goes up here, whenever it gets to this level, it turns down. This level is called resistance level. So if this is support, this is resistance. So the same thing as saying demand and supply. Demand level and supply level. So what benefit is this to a trader? It is beneficial to a trader to understand a potential market turning point, but that's only how to know where to buy or where to sell. Now, we say in Forex that we buy at support level. Anytime market comes down here, we buy. Anytime it goes up to resistance level, we sell. Look at this market now, staying here. It's almost violating this level, but we can wait and see if the market is going to drop down. Anytime the market goes back, as far as I'm concerned, this market is getting ready for sell position, and I'll be selling from this level, drop down here. So this is the beginning of our practical analysis. So you can actually zoom in and then zoom out and have a clear view of your candlestick. So this is our first analytical view, looking at the candlestick formation and what candlestick is telling us, how market is going to drop down and go up. Drop down, it goes up. Drop down, touches support, goes back and touches resistance, and ups and down in wave. And that is giving you a potential area to jump into the market. So this is our first lecture, and I hope you enjoyed. Stay for more. Bye bye and peace out for now. Enyi ga-abụ isi oche enyi na-aga na iso n'azụ.